What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we are doing a Dollar Tree haul because I just got back from Dollar Tree, and in my humble opinion, this is the best time of the year to go to Dollar Tree. They have so much cute stuff for the holidays. Last year, I've actually bought a lot of my ornaments for my trees. You guys can see one of them behind me here from Dollar Tree. I use them again this year. Like, they just have so much cute holiday stuff. And then obviously, of course, the typical staple products that I will go to Dollar Tree to buy as well. So I figured we'd do a little haul because I know you guys love Dollar Tree, or should I say $1.25 tree? Because for the longest time, my Dollar Tree was still $1 when like a lot of the other ones were $1.25, but it is now $1.25. So it's a little bit more expensive, but I did get some really good stuff. So we're just gonna do a little chill, laid back haul together. And like I said, I just went today, so this stuff should still be readily stocked in Dollar Trees, hopefully around your area if you wanna get anything. So without further ado, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm gonna start out with a few essentials. These little clips, I absolutely love to use these. They're like sectioning clips that I use on my hair when I'm curling my hair or blow drying my hair. They're like little claw clips. I'll take them out and show you. And I like these little bright colors. The other ones I have are just white, but they're little claw clips that you can use to section your hair. They work really well. So I always like to grab these there. Also, I saw this, which I had not seen this before, and it intrigued me. This is from the Sassy and Chic brand, which they make a lot of makeup sort of products as well at Dollar Tree, but this is an electronic nail kit. So it's like an electronic little nail drill. So I was very interested to see how this worked because I do my nails myself at home. And I have a nail drill that I got off Amazon a couple years ago, but it keeps dying on me. I think it's like served its time. So I was looking into getting another one and I was like, let me give this a try. So it comes with like a cuticle pusher, a buffing tool, and a shaping tool. So if you do your nails at home, could be a cool little thing to get. So I grabbed that, and I can definitely update you guys on how that works because obviously I just came home, I haven't taken it out or tried it yet, so I'll keep y'all updated. Okay, a little holiday thing. So I bought this and now I'm realizing it's not what I thought it was. I wanted to get a little piece of mistletoe for our house, like to hang somewhere. I thought that would be cute because me and my husband have a holiday party every year and we have like our family and stuff over for Christmas. So I thought it'd be cute to have like a little mistletoe. But I realized it kind of looks like mistletoe, but it's actually just supposed to be like a little mini wreath. But I'm just gonna hang it up in one of the doorways anyways and say that it's mistletoe and hope nobody looks too close at it, but it is pretty. But technically it's a little mini wreath. But I feel like I could get away with calling it mistletoe, you know? Nobody needs to know. I also grabbed some of this gold garland. I thought originally I might use it on the tree. I was gonna add it to this tree to just add a little bit of something to it because we have like gold and white and stuff on there, but I didn't use any garland. So I just grabbed this, and if I don't end up liking it on the tree, I can just use it somewhere else along in the house to add a little bit of decor for the holidays. They had garland in a bunch of different colors too. So if you're not a gold fan, I think they had red. They had one that was red and gold, which I really liked, but this one was 50 feet. The red and gold one was only 25 feet for some reason. So I just went with this because you got more of it for the same price. Also, these socks, I think I might go back because I always get my friends like gift bags and stuff for Christmas with a bunch of like gifts in them. So I bought these for myself, but I might go back and add these and get them for my friends to put in their gift bags. How cute are these little fuzzy socks? I love fuzzy socks like this, especially in the winter when it's cold. And I don't have any like holiday specific ones really. So these had little Christmas trees on them and they're super soft. I have a couple other from Dollar Tree that are like fuzzy socks like this and I love it. I also actually like to use these if I'll put like lotion on my feet to like moisturize them so my feet get super dry in the winter, and then I'll put on these fuzzy socks to really like lock in the moisturizer. They work really well to do that, and these are just so cute and cozy. So I got these, and they had a couple different like holiday prints of these, but I just loved this little tree one, so grabbed that. Okay, this intrigued me. This is a stunning volume styler. So it's like a volumizing brush. You can see the before and after on the bottom looks quite substantial. It's supposed to give incredible body and lift from the root and really like volumize your hair. And I love like a volume hair moment. Maybe it's like the New Jersey in me because I feel like it's not really as in anymore as it used to be. I feel like people back in the day, like the Jersey Shore era, like you wanted your hair to be humongous, where now it's like a little bit more sleek is the look, I guess, but I still love volume. So I grabbed this to see how it works. I might do a TikTok like testing this out and seeing like, okay, does this thing actually work, or like what is this? So definitely interesting. It kind of looks like one of those as seen on TV products. I don't know if it is or not, but for $1.25, I was like, I will test it out and see. So follow my TikTok if you wanna see me try that out. It's just at Kelly Strack Official. And I'll film that and see how it works. Also grabbed this little headband. It's just like a black kind of satin headband. I like headbands because I use them when I'm doing my makeup to keep my hair back and off of my face. And I thought this one was really pretty and could also just be used as a regular headband, you know, even once my makeup is done. Just plain black could pretty much go with anything. So I grabbed that. I have another tan one that I had bought a couple months back from Dollar Tree that I use all the time, but it kind of has like makeup gunked on it now because it's tan. So I was like, I think think black might be a better option. Maybe it'll get a little less sturdy. I also grabbed this pack of headbands as well. I did a pink and a white one because again, I use these all the time. I have them in like my beauty room and where I film and in my bathroom so that I can use these headbands when I'm doing my skincare and washing my face and doing my makeup just to get this hair back and out of the way. So love these, and I also use them when I work out as well, like these kind of whole head ones. So they do get kind of sweaty and gross, so I need to have a couple on hand to cycle around throughout the week before I like wash them. So they always have a lot of those type of headbands at Dollar Tree, so good place to go if you need any of that stuff. Oh my gosh, this, I had to do it. Prince is not gonna be happy, but I had to get it when I saw it. There's this little elf costume. I thought it was so cute. It comes with a little hat. I highly doubt he's gonna let me put the hat on him, but normally like these like costumes, like little sweater sort of things, he doesn't mind that much. He doesn't like the head things though, so the hat probably won't use, but this cute little elf little costume I thought would be adorable. Like maybe for a holiday party or on Christmas, I'll just put it on him, take a cute little picture or something with him in this. And for $1.25, I was like, okay, if he hates it and we only get him in like a little picture of it, it'll be okay, because it wasn't super expensive, but I thought that was really cute. Oh, also really cute. I got this in the same section. So most of the holiday stuff, if you guys are interested in getting like a lot of the stuff that I'm talking about, a lot of it is right when you first walk in the door where they kind of do the like seasonal Dollar Tree stuff, which I tend to think a lot of time is like the best stuff that they have is like the stuff right when you walk in. They kind of switch out for the seasons, but I saw this there too. It was right next to the dog costume. So I thought it was a dog costume at first, but it's actually a wine bottle bag that looks like Santa Claus, and it has like a little hat and a to and from tag. And it says like, do not open till December 25th. So I thought this was so cute. I bought one to test it because I normally include in the gift bags, like for my friends, a bottle of wine. So I was like, oh, it'll be so cute if I put this on it and it'll be like super Christmassy. So I wanted to get one to test it just to make sure like the wine bottles fit and stuff. But I think they will, and it's closed at the bottom. So you just put it in and then this kind of goes around the wine. So a cute little way to dress up if you're giving somebody like a bottle of wine or alcohol or something like that this holiday season instead of just throwing it in a bag. And then you don't have to really wrap it because a lot of times those bottles are not that easy to be wrapped. So it just kind of dresses it up and looks really cute. So I grabbed that because I thought it was adorable. I also grabbed this new color brush on nail glue. The nail glue that I always use is like the kind with the little, you know, you squeeze it out, like the old school kind of nail glue. But a lot of times that gets really dry and I always have to kind of keep cutting the top down because it'll dry out at the top. So I was like, oh, brush on. That seems like a much better option, which I never have tried brush on nail glue before. So I grabbed it. I'm gonna open it up right now and see. Because I've actually been into doing press-ons recently. So the nails I have on right now are just press-on nails, which is very easy. So I just kind of buff up the nail like with that buffer tool that I showed you guys. Go in with some glue and then do the press-on. So let's see how this lash glue is. Oh yeah, it's just like a little brush tip. Okay, definitely interested to check this out and see if it works because it seems so much easier than having to squeeze out that little bottle. So cool. Okay, on to the next bag. I got these plates. So again, like I said, we're having a holiday party and we host Christmas and stuff at our house. So for actual Christmas dinner, we do use like our nice, you know, plates. But for everything else, especially if you have a lot of people for a party, I don't have enough of our nice plates to be able to use. So I'll use paper for that and it's a bit easier to clean up. So I got these little holiday ones with Santa on them. I thought they were so cute. You get 18 in each and they had these in a bunch of different styles too. Like they had a bunch of different options. I just like the little Santa one. So I grabbed 2 packs of those and then I also grabbed 2 packs of the matching little napkins. Need to have the Christmas napkins. I thought these were so cute. You know, I can't just be using the plain white napkins during the holidays. I need the holiday napkins. So I thought these were really, really pretty. And these you get 24 in each pack. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. You know, I got basically almost 50 napkins. I think 48 napkins for like $2, $2.50. So cute little way to add a little something if you're having a holiday party, just to be a little bit more festive. Also grabbed, okay, I got a lot of hair clips, but I really do, like, I swear to you, I think there's like a black hole in my house with hair clips because I'm always using them. Hair clips and headbands because I'm using them when I do my makeup, when I wash my face, so many times throughout the day, and I don't know where they all go. Half the time I'm like, where is that? And I'm always looking for them. So I stocked up. I got these little hair clips too, which these are nice. I like the black and gold. They look really pretty. But beyond that, these kind of hair clips don't crease your hair. So sometimes hair clips, especially if you're gonna use like a barrette type clip, if you wanna pull your hair off of your face, it'll put a crease in your hair if you have like freshly blow dried hair or something, or freshly styled. So I like to use these because they don't crease the hair and I can kind of just pull it back when I'm doing my makeup and then let it down and it still looks really nice. So, and there's no like crease in it. So I grabbed those and then I also grabbed another one of these claw clips. I grabbed this the last time that I went there and I've used it so much I actually keep it in my car because a lot of times when I'm out and about, like my hair is kind of heavy and I just want my hair up and out of the way. So I'll use it a lot to just twist my hair, get it up in the back and have it out of the way. So I wanted to grab one that I could just leave inside the house and have one for the car. So that's why I grabbed another one of these. It's a pretty like tortoise shell kind of print, and these are pretty big, so they will hold a lot of hair. Even if you have thick hair, like I have extensions, so naturally I don't have a lot, but with the extensions, it is a lot. So these actually will hold them. They have a lot of cute hair accessories. If you take anything from this video, they really do, and they're all, you know, super affordable. And then I always stock up on bags. Honestly, I'm probably gonna have to go back because I don't think I got enough. I only got 4. I do try and save like holiday bags year to year, I'll be honest. Like if somebody gives me a gift in a bag like this, a lot of times I'll just save it because I'm like, you know what? It was only used once, I can use it again, but I definitely do need some more because after like a few uses, they'll start to rip and stuff. I don't wanna give somebody a bag that's ripped. So I grabbed some of these for holiday gifts for like family and friends. They always have great options at Dollar Tree. This one is just like a medium size fresh cut trees one. I got a cute little Santa one that's a little bit bigger. And these big ones hold a lot of stuff in them. One that says Christmas wishes, and then this one I thought was really pretty, says Noel. So they hold a lot, and every year I go and buy a couple. So I have stuff to be able to put gifts in that are not super easy to be wrapped. But for everything else, I do like to wrap them, so I got wrapping paper as well. Now, one thing that I'll tell you is that Dollar Tree does have wrapping paper, which is great, because sometimes, like I think I went in the Hallmark store once one year and like the wrapping paper was literally like $10 or something, where at Dollar Tree, obviously it's $1.25. But some of the lighter colored ones are like see-through. They're not thick enough, so don't get, last year I got one that was like kind of whitish and you could like see the gift through it, so I couldn't use it. So this year I got darker ones. So I got this green one that has like different little Christmas cookies on it, and then also this other green one that has like reindeer on it, which I thought these are cute and they're darker, so I grabbed these to wrap up some of the gifts. So definitely a good place to get wrapping paper for the holiday season, but go for the darker colors because some of the lighter colors you'll be able to see through. And what's the point in wrapping a gift if you could see through it anyways, you know what I mean? So the darker ones are definitely the way to go with that. And then last, but certainly not least, I got this little bowl, and it has like Santa on it. I actually got one of these last year and I used it throughout the holiday season when I had people over to throw like Tostito chips. I'm a big like dip person, so a lot of times I'll make different dips. So I grabbed another one so that I could put like chips, pretzels, whatever in it. And so we had a couple that were like festive. So I normally have at least like 2 or 3 bowls filled with different sort of chips, Tostitos, crackers, whatever it may be. So I grabbed another little festive one while I was there because they had it from last year as well. So that is everything. Like I said, I honestly think like December and the holiday time is the best time at Dollar Tree. They have a lot of cute stuff, a lot of cute decor pieces as well. If you want to be able to decorate your house, but do so on a budget, they have so many great options. So y'all know I'm a big Dollar Tree fan. So yeah, that is everything that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.